There could be welcome relief for everyone with a mortgage tonight. The Reserve Bank has slashed interest rates by 0.5%. Chloe Baker joins us now. And Chloe, will the cut actually have much of an impact?
Well, Max, it certainly was a big drop by the Reserve Bank, but until we know which financial institutions plan to pass on the reduction and by how much, Queenslanders won't really feel much change. Of course, this will stimulate the economy, and industry insiders have welcomed that. In fact, they've said it was a vital move, but for the average borrower, they may never see any benefit due to the stranglehold the Big Four banks have on consumers.
Interest rates came tumbling down for the first time since November, not the modest cut predicted, instead a drop of 0.5 percentage point.
And everyone out there has been hanging out for this rate cut. It is here, it is welcome, and people do want to experience it in their pocket.
For mum and dad borrowers, the announcement meant little. They're not confident banks will pass on the bucks.
I think they'll just grab it all.
It is at the moment hard, I suppose. Yeah, it is with the mortgage.
I guess banks are like any other company. They're in the business to make money.
But the drop will be good news if financial institutions do the right thing by their customers.
It's got to be passed on by the banks.
On a $300,000 mortgage, it will mean a discount of $100 a month.
If we're a bit strained on the budget, like we have other cost of living items that are going up, say electricity and cost of schooling, etc., then we can reallocate our funds that way.
Sales in the housing sector have slumped to an 11-year low. The rate drop could stimulate growth.
We just need a little bit of pressure from, the market to sort of jump a little bit, and off it goes again,
Money will also be freed up for the retail sector.
This was critical to trying to turn around this continuing state of doldrums that the retail sector's been in for 2 years.
In these tough financial times, banks are never keen to lose customers, so if you're prepared to haggle, there's always room to move, and they will match deals.
I think this is a really good opportunity to shop around. Have a look what the banks are doing. They've now made this a very competitive market.
Now, it remains to be seen if any of the Big Four banks will pass on this rate reduction, if they'll pass it on at all, in fact. But some of the smaller financial institutions have indicated already that they will pass on a percentage of that. Some have suggested that they may pass on all of the reduction. Experts say we should know by the end of the week which financial institutions will be good to their customers.
We'll wait and see. Thanks, Chloe Baker. A Victorian man will front a Gold Coast...